is the Mystery Basket Throwdown.
This is potentially an item that we're going to serve for lunch in the upcoming years, so you'll have a legacy.
Are we ready to see what is in the mystery basket? Ooh! All right, get cooking, guys.
We're trying to figure out how we can incorporate more veggies into our dish.
So the students just got their mystery baskets. I think they're really excited, but also really nervous because we gave them pre-cooked proteins. They've never worked with pre-cooked proteins before. I think this is gonna be really tricky, but exciting. Any fun seasoning blends? Or I see you're cutting some peppers in there.
Yeah, I think we're gonna figure it out as we go.
Yeah. So. This is the chicken that I'm gonna try to marinate and then cook to give it, I guess, more flavor and allow the chicken to absorb it.
Seems like the tortillas, people go with nachos. So we didn't want to go with nachos because I feel like everybody else gonna do it. So we went with a pasta.
In my school, we're really diverse, so I have a lot of friends who are from different parts of the world, and I'm always trying different foods from the world, and I feel that's where my inspiration came from.
I was trying to be cool for the camera. So Chef Tim, I've been asking the teams about what they're thinking about making. We got some pretty good recipes over there. What are you thinking they're gonna make?
So I'm not really sure, but I'm just looking at their strategy and how everybody's doing everything. Everybody has a different strategy, and depending on what comes out, we'll know at the end what strategy worked the best.
Or we're gonna use tortillas so they crisp up into chips. When we bake them in the oven, we're gonna make them in a little flower shape for the presentation part. But yeah.
So it'll be like a taco salad bowl, essentially.
I love it. And then students can just break open the chips and scoop everything. That sounds so good.
We pop it in the steamer for let's say 20 minutes or so, and you might have a beautiful Spanish rice there.
Okay.
Ay, qué rico.
We're just writing down a recipe.
You're at the 30-minute mark. This is what separates the cooks from the chefs. I cannot wait to taste with the judges. This is gonna be amazing. You have less than 30 minutes left. How are you feeling right now?
Only 30 minutes?
You for real?
5 minutes left. One minute left. The clock is racing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Alrighty, let's give everyone a round of applause for the amazing job you guys did. The food looks delicious. Awesome job for our first annual Mystery Basket Throwdown. So I'm just looking at you guys, so I'm gonna have this team come on over.
So today we decided to make Korean barbecue chicken and cheese tortillas. On top it has diced up onions and diced up cilantro.
This is not the school food that I remember. This is awesome.
Korean barbecue tacos would be a big win.
The chicken in the taco is very nice. It's moist, has good flavor. Definitely good.
I'm a big fan of the broccoli. I think it has a lot of flavor and it's cooked really well.
We prepared a version of street tacos with a pico de gallo, and we also created a salsa to go with chips. As I was looking at all the ingredients, I thought it would be a very smart way to incorporate color and fresh ingredients into a dish.
The pico de gallo really adds a nice, bright, fresh flavor, and it's really delicious.
It's presented very well. I like all the fresh ingredients, so well done.
Very fresh ingredients.
So we made kale chips, salsa and chips, and burritos. My step-grandma is actually Mexican, so she taught me how to that I should pan fry my burritos anytime I made burritos. So that kind of just inspired me to put the cheese on top.
The burritos are very well constructed.
Kale chips were excellent.
We made a pasta dish. We mix red peppers, red onions, and green peppers into the meat and the sauce.
This dish is something that is commonly made in my house.
Meat sauce is outstanding.
Your pasta's cooked perfectly.
Yes, it is.
We have prepared a taco bowl filled with a veggie meat crumble, and then it's topped with cheddar cheese, some of those crushed tortilla chips, cilantro. We have a pickled red onion, and there are also some charred green and red bell peppers in there. So for me, it was really important to come and bring something that was vegetarian friendly to our cafeteria.
So much flavor.
Nice brightness.
And it's creative how you utilize the tortilla, different than typically what you see it as.
Are we ready to see who won the first Mystery Basket Throwdown?
Everything was amazing. You guys are just culinary ninjas. And our winner of our first Mystery Basket Throwdown is Sam and Sarah from South Lakes.
It feels so good. We came in here with a solid plan. We've been preparing, and it's really great to know that we executed it well and we came out winners.
Yeah, we had a good brainstorming session at the beginning, had some PB&Js, and just was writing our recipe.
I believe the best thing you can have in a school is students represented, and this is the best way to do that because lunch is such a big part of our day for so many people. So.